Okay folks, I've seen lots of videos on getting your bearing out of your hub. This one's a bad one. The race has failed. And I've got a piece of aluminum stock that I'm going to use to punch this out. And once it gets low enough past the parallel point, I've got this hardwood or pine that I've cut a hole out that I should be able to knock this through. One of the things people talk about, and I've seen good videos of freezing the bearing and then heating up around the hub itself to expand it. And I've seen people beat these out without heating it up. I'm going to try to heat it up first for about 60 seconds and see if I can't get this hub out, or this bearing out, without having to go through a lot of hullabaloo. I can help it. I don't know why it shouldn't help. Can't hurt. Pretty warm. Thing is to heat it up but not heat up the bearing. That would be the wrong thing to do. So let's first try it with just on a flat surface. Oh, it's already moving. Well, that was easy. Now let's put it here in the center. Oh yeah. There you go. Easy peasy. Just a few swings of the hammer. Done. I hope that helps.